Hi guys, this is my Mirraco 2011 luxstar in the orange copperish color. This is my first bike check. I've had it for probably about a month now. It's a pretty good bike. Haven't really had any problems with it yet. It has right here, I'll start up with the bars first. Has an 8 2.5 rise black label bars. I cut the bars down so that I could bar spin with black label grips and orange black label bar ends. The bar ends are great. The grips are okay. I don't really like them. They're kind of hard. Then I have a black label stem with Cane Creek headset, and then we have the 20.75 luxstar frame, as you can see, with the can't really tell what hub that is, with a black label single wall front rim with the Odyssey Aiken P Light front tire coming to the back where the pedals just got some nice black label pedals unsealed with some I think black label 175mm cranks, sealed mid bottom bracket with an Odyssey pivotal plastic seat to a, let's see really quick, with a black plastic seat post with an internal seat clamp. Then we got the sprocket over here. It's the black label 25 tooth black sprocket, going to a white KMC chain with back black label double wall, sealed hub, back rim with an Odyssey path tire in the back. It's a great bike, great bike. Haven't had any problems with it. And here's a Zoomy sticker up in the front. I'd also like for you guys to subscribe to Arsenal Falco. He's awesome. He's great at BMXing. And I'm gonna put down the iPod really quick, and I'm gonna show you guys the hub sound. It's a decent hub sound. That's pretty much it. Just like, subscribe, and I'll show you guys some BMXing videos when I get a little bit better. I'm not that good. I can fakie, and what else can I do? I can fakie. I can start. I'm starting to 180. I can get the rotation, I just can't fakie out. I can air out, I can do a couple other tricks, but I'm not that good, but I'll get better, and I'll show you guys some videos. Just when I buy more parts, this bike is pretty much all stock. I'll get better quality and everything later on. I'm just gonna buy new parts, and I'll give you guys another bike check. Alright, like, subscribe, and have a good day, guys. Alright, bye.